we'd earlier reported on Times Now that Narendra Modi's PM candidature was openly endorsed by Ram Jethmalani, who revealed how the RSS is backing the Gujarat Chief Minister for the top post. And amidst massive speculation, Narendra Modi met the RSS chief yesterday. While Modi did not give much away on exactly what transpired at that big meeting, sources say a larger role for Modi is definitely on the cards.
His presence in Nagpur to meet the RSS chief comes amid talks of a larger role for Narendra Modi in the BJP.
I did have once a chat with Mr. Bhagwat about Mr. Narendra Modi, and as far as I remember, I hope I'm not misquoting him, my impression distinctly was that he agreed with me on this issue.
A big revelation on Times Now has reignited the debate. Ram Jethmalani had pitched for Modi as Prime Ministerial candidate, adding RSS chief endorsed his view, which Mohan Bhagwat hasn't denied on record. Even the BJP not divulging much, with the immediate focus on the upcoming Gujarat elections.
When he goes to the Nagpur and goes to the RSS headquarters, he doesn't go there as a leader. He goes there as a Swayamsevak of the RSS Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh.
It's well known that none of the big national decisions are passed without the RSS consent, but the man himself trying not to give away too much at the moment.
राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ इन बातों में कभी नहीं उलझता है, न ये उनका विषय होता है, न उनका क्षेत्र होता है।
राम जेठमलानी जी ने आपके
बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद।
It's the significance of the meeting. He's boycotted the national executive in 2011 in protest. The RSS bosses didn't meet him in Gujarat earlier this year during a visit, but the mood has changed ever since. The spotlight was on Modi at this year's national executive, and the man himself has been guarded on his national ambition so far.
स्वाभाविक है गुजरात हिमाचल के चुनाव को भी सेमीफाइनल के रूप में मीडिया पेश करेगा। इतना ही नहीं, 2013 के जो चुनाव आएंगे कुछ राज्यों के, उसको भी लोग सेमीफाइनल कहेंगे।
He's looking for a hat-trick in Gujarat. Relations with RSS top brass are back on track, and insiders say there's a bigger role planned post-December. Is it now clear that Modi has the RSS blessing for 2014? Bureau Report, Times Now.